Hi guys, this is Raymond. I'm Raya's dad, and welcome to Bricks Laboratory. I'm here today to make a Lego tutorial on how to build a loudspeaker like this one. As you can see, this speaker can be hanged on walls or be placed on the floor or the ground. So it's up to you where you want to use it. It is quite a simple build and something that I believe you can easily follow. So I'm going to show you now how to build this Lego loudspeaker. So are you guys ready? Here are the parts needed for this build. Number 1, 2 1x2 blocks, each of them with a hole in the middle. Technic blocks. 2 1x2 plates. 1 satellite dish like this one. 1 1x1 circular stud like this one. And a 1x2 tile of any color you want. Those are the parts. So here's how you do it. First, get the 1x2 blocks and 1x2 plates and alternately put them on top of each other like this. As you can see, a 1x2 plate should be in the bottom while a 1x2 block should end up on top. Like next, place the satellite dish on the bottom hole. There. And then put the 1x1 circular stud on the top hole like this. Finally, place the 1x2 tile on top to make the build look better. So that's it. It's that simple. As I have said, you can modify this build so you can hang this speaker to a wall or something. One way to do that is to replace the bottom 1x2 tile. Replace it with a modified 1x2 tile like this. One with a lever. So you put it on the bottom. That way you can clip this to something so it will hang on a wall. So here is one example on how to place it in a wall. You can clip this part to this part. That. Put it in place. So that's it. That's how you build a Lego loudspeaker. You can use them for your Lego band or as an accessory to your mock restaurant or bar. I hope you learned something in this video. Please subscribe for more and hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything that we upload. Hope you enjoyed watching and see you guys next time. Bye-bye! Oh, before you go, I would like to make a shout out to our friend Sandy the Sand Trooper. They make Lego stop motion videos and they're a great channel. Please subscribe to their channel, Sandy the Sand Trooper. Thank you so much. Bye.